Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato and leek soup easy. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large leeks, about 2 pounds of potatoes, and 4 cups of your favorite vegetable or chicken broth. Don't forget 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 2 cloves of garlic. A pinch of salt and pepper will perfect the flavors. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, thoroughly clean your 3 leeks, then slice only the white and light green sections. Next, peel and dice your 2 pounds of potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Finally, mince 2 cloves of garlic and have your 4 cups of broth standing by. It's time to start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your sliced leeks and sauté them until they're softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and diced potatoes, cooking for another 2 minutes. Pour in the 4 cups of broth, bring it to a boil, and then reduce heat to simmer for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Almost done, carefully use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your preferred creamy texture. If you don't have one, you can use a regular blender in batches. Now, stir in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your delightful potato and leek soup warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.